Like, look at the picture. See, it's like gooey.
This is all very fascinating. It was very quick.
Oh, that's insane.
It's
It
runny.
worked.
They're safe and secure.
I'm Katie Kimball from Kitchen Story Chip and Kids Cook Real Food. Today we're reviewing Sunbasket.
So today I'm making a Korean salad that I don't know how to pronounce and a spicy chicken taco. So the instructions, there is some chicken, some cooked black beans, some tinga sauce, pico de gallo, looks so good, cilantro, yeah, that's cilantro, and I think these are corn tortillas. So for the Korean bulgogi, we have some romaine, some ground beef, the instructions.
Daikon.
Daikon. Oh, cucumber. Bulgogi sauce blend. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Bulgogi. There's two.
Bulgogi sauce blend. Some sambal mayo. Some kimchi chili flakes. Chili flakes. A kiwi! I want a kiwi in forever. So first I want to start with it's Korean bulgogi salad with daikon and cucumber. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Daikon. So my mom will be my sous chef in the background. I have got all my tools and my things for my pantry that I needed. So our ground beef is cooking in the pan over there. So next is I need to trim the root ends from the scallion. And my mom is grating the kiwi. Okay, so I kept the white and the green onions separate. So we've had our ground beef cooking for a little bit over here, so now I'm gonna add my white part of the scallions. Oh, I spilled. And then just mix it up. I have it on medium heat right now. Sprinkle of salt, dash of pepper.
We're discussing whether we mix the sauce in or leave it separate, because what if the sauce is not our favorite?
Yeah, we mixed it in.
I gotta prepare the salad, cut it all up. Scrub or peel the, what is it called?
I think it's daikon.
Daikon. Cut in half lengthwise, then crosswise into thin half minutes. I will cut it, and it says you can peel it optionally.
We decided to peel it because the skin was a little bit bitter.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, it's quite pretty.
But it's almost too much. It's like almost too much.
Oh,
It was
yeah,
a small
it was a
romaine.
small romaine. So you just
So
put
what
in
do
a
you
little
think?
less.
Just less? Yeah, because
We
then
can
it'll
have
be
it in
like
a salad then, actually.
it'll be like a daikon. So beautiful. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here's what beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't look quite as much. And then you can serve it with the kimchi chili flakes and the mayo and then the meat with the sauce. The next thing, the second one is the spicy tinga tacos with black beans and pico de gallo. This one looks so good. Okay, so first rinse the black beans. So I'm gonna cut this off and then we'll drain it and then we're gonna put it in our pan. So I'll see you at the stove.
Alrighty, here comes the chicken.
Put it on. It's like pre-cut, which is really nice.
That is really, really my favorite.
Cutting chicken is very nice. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper. Forgot to add the olive oil, so we're quickly adding that right now. So my mom is chopping up the cilantro, and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to the pico de gallo to taste. And honestly, we might add some. You can probably add some on at the table. So we'll just add that. It looks so good, and it smells delicious. So we're gonna pour in the tinga sauce. It has like a texture to it, so you gotta dump it. Oh, okay. Go for it. Yeah, it's quite a lot.
These guys. Hold the pan,
Beans. I
Yeah.
think this chicken is just about cooked. It's getting
Kind of
brown. It's really
freaking me
cool.
out. Okay.
I'm gonna try holding it. Oh,
Oh, that's less than cool.
it browned. It got those
It's
dots like
supposed
the
to be
picture
mostly,
has.
just pliable. So pick it up if it's floppy, you're good. Flop, oops, not quite centered. It's all very fascinating. It was very quick.
It was.
If we ever were to
Let's
buy
hope it
this
tastes
again, I
good.
bet we'd be like almost twice as fast because you wouldn't be like, oh, what do I have to
Maybe at the other time.
That spread of food looks pretty good.
Spicy spicy tinga tacos with black beans and pico de gallo, and Korean bulgogi salad with daikon and cucumber. That sounds delicious.
Everybody's favorite meal this day was definitely the tinga tacos.
Today we're doing beans and egg salad and farro bowls with spinach, apricots, and green goddess dressing and salmon. Let's see what's in the bags.
Okay, so we're going to unpackage the white bean salad with roasted cabbage, chimichurri, and soft cooked eggs.
One of the meals I ordered was supposed to be mojo pork tacos, and somehow we got white bean salad with roasted cabbage, chimichurri, and soft cooked eggs instead.
There's recipes: eggs, mushrooms,
Walnuts.
celery, chimichurri sauce,
Chimichurri.
garlic, white beans, cherry vinegar, cherries. That's it for the first one. So the second one is the farro bowls with spinach and green goddess dressing. So there's the salmon, spinach, aromatics,
Dijon caper dressing, farro apricot blend, and green goddess dressing.
which actually looks really good. And that's it. So we just mixed the farro apricot blend, the aromatics, and 2 tablespoons of water. And then now we need to cover it with foil.
This mix was then put into the oven to heat up.
So that was for the farro bowls, but we're gonna move over to the white bean salad real quick because there's also something else that needs to go in the oven.
This recipe only calls for the cabbage to be cut in half.
Okay, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons to coat the cabbage pan.
To cook the cabbage, we're going to brown one side and then put it in the oven.
Okay, so our water is heating up for our eggs, and our cabbage is in the oven. So next we're going to make the white bean salad. So we gotta chop up the mushrooms, and then while Paul chops up the mushrooms, I will prepare the celery.
All of this chopping of produce is for the salad.
Obliterating them. Why are your mushrooms so small, Paul?
Because I don't like them. I would like to kill them.
But really, making the mushrooms smaller helps you taste them less, which is good in my case.
But yeah, I never said to turn it down.
You can turn it up after you get them in there if you want. But...
They're safe and secure. It's not really burnt. Sure. I'm gonna stir this up. Now I gotta put it in for another 10 to 15 minutes.
Or Paul is.
Okay.
There's going to be no.
So Paul, do you want to add the cherries and the cherry vinegar
To the eggs.
and the celery to here? Vinegar. It's gonna be like runny. Oh yeah, it's runny on the inside. I've never had a hard-boiled egg that's runny on the inside. It's gonna be so satisfying to cut it open.
Wait,
So,
it's runny on the inside?
Yeah.
it's a soft-boiled egg.
Oh yeah.
I've never heard of a soft-boiled egg, but
Yeah,
now it
never.
sounds insane.
Like, look at the picture. See, it's like gooey.
So I'm adding the celery raw to the salad, but we're going to cook the mushrooms before we put them in.
Mushroom, pepper. It's small. Can you add a little bit to my pan, please?
And that was one we did not order, right?
Yeah, and then there's still the mushrooms coming.
is spooning the hot farro mixture into a presentable bowl.
Dijon caper dressing. So now I'm going to serve everything up. So we have the fishy thing.
Fishy thing.
You can tell who loves fish.
Farro spinach that goes under the fish.
Yeah. Okay. It's mostly just like spinach, ton of spinach, and
Fish.
and fish.
Delish.
Okay. So then the farro roaster. This is farro roaster. This is a salad, whatever it is.
White
Mushroom, bean, celery salad.
Let me just put it on.
Gonna be delicious.
And the cabbage is lightly cut.
And then it's brown on this side. Okay, here are the meals. Not. Forgot the egg. I gotta do. Okay, we gotta get a close up of this beautiful cut when we cut the egg. That's hot.
It's on.
Ah! Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's runny.
Oh, that's insane.
It's
It
runny.
worked.
It worked.
Soft boiled egg.
We put this one on top of the cabbage,
Oh.
like that. As the picture shows, and this too. And then that goes on top of here, like so.
So, rapid fire. Is Sunbasket easy to make?
Yes,
Fairly.
fairly easy. Pretty.
Is Sunbasket kid friendly?
Well,
Not really.
Not really. No, not the meals.
Okay. Yeah, a lot of mushrooms, a lot of mixing, a lot of sauces, a lot of strong flavors.
Fish,
Yeah.
celery, cabbage.
Mm-hmm. Things.
Spinach,
Mm-hmm.
fish.
Do you think Sunbasket was faster than making our own food?
Yes.
It depends. I mean, like we started at like 5:30.
No,
45. It was an hour, 10
45.
minutes.
it's not. It's faster.
I can make a meal in an hour and 10 minutes.
This is 2 meals.
Still,
Is Sunbasket easy to clean up after?
No,
it's a lot of dishes.
Kind of.
It's
It
kind of, I
depends.
think it's a lot
I
of
think
dishes.
it would depend on what meal.
Okay.
But yeah, right now there's a lot of dishes.
Were the directions easy to follow?
Yes.
Well, no,
No. What?
not all the time because they didn't tell us to turn on the heat for the eggs, so they couldn't be popping. Mom didn't tell us not to. There's another thing that she didn't tell us.
Did you
I
like?
thought they were fairly good.
Okay.
They
Did
were
you,
pretty good.
did you like the tacos?
Yes,
Yes.
those were actually surprisingly really good. I was
Those were
scared.
delicious.
Or did you like the bulgogi?
No, I.
Kind of. It was confusing.
Fish sauce didn't go well. Are you going to eat the salmon?
No.
Yes.
I didn't have to cook tonight, which was lovely, and I didn't have to plan, and I didn't have to go grocery shopping.